Have you ever called your credit card company and be like, yeah, I don't agree with this, and then they just take it off?
Oh, that's a common practice. A lot of people don't implement. I do that all the time.
You're like, okay, why did I get charged in the first place if it's that easy to just remove?
Yeah, well, because they want to make more money.
And then think about the dispute process. You can rack $60K on a credit card or something. Let's just say you got approved for that somehow. Like, you just stop paying, right? And then it goes to collections. And then the collection agency's like, you need to pay us now. We'll even give you a discount, whatever. And that debt is just sitting there. They bought it from whatever credit card company. You're like, nope, I don't own that. I've never owned that. I don't even know what the hell that is. And they'd be like, well, it is your name. And they'd be like, oh, okay, prove it. So then they'll come back to you and be like, is this you? And it'd be like a black and white photo of your ID, right? You'd be like, no, that's not me. Why? Because the system says that the ID photocopy needs to be in color for it to be valid. So you go, no, that is not me. This is fraudulent.
Is that a real thing?
I swear to God, dude.
Holy shit.
I swear to God. They'd be like, you can claim it as not yours, even though you know deep down it is yours and you're lying to them. And they'd be like, okay, so what you send is a letter that informs them that this is not me. This is a fraudulent account that was opened under my social security number using my name as identity theft. They'd be like, oh, okay, we apologize for this. Give us 30 days. Okay. 30 days. If they don't respond, they have to automatically, by law, remove it.
Oh, wow.
So when you think of the national debt,
that's part of the reason why I think it's like...
It's nuts. That's why it's like scammy.
Yeah, it is scammy.
You get what I mean? Like, you look at the loopholes and you're just like, what?